Well, we are pretty close to where we started. This tree has fallen across the old path here. Makes a pretty good place to take a break and stop, sit down for a minute, get a drink of water, things of that nature. There are ways to get down there, but to the closer to the Timber Creek. But see, here's one right here. You can actually walk down this little path here. We'll go down here for just a minute. And of course, if you want to go down that way there, you go down that way and right on the edge of the bank there. But we probably won't go down there this morning. So we'll go back up here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we're just coming back more or less the opposite way we came yesterday down here. There again, there's those mysterious supports, trestles, whatever you might want to call them, wherever they were at one time. I don't know, I just find it odd that those two trestles are concrete, and then this one is partially concrete and partially rock. But one thing I did not point out yesterday was the rock actually doesn't go like 2/3 the way up. It dips down to like halfway here. I didn't point that out yesterday, but it only goes up about halfway here, and then it goes up to about 2/3, and then it goes on down, and then the rest of it is concrete. But if you'll notice, there's almost two different styles of rock. Up here, it's more smooth and more square than these down here. So, I don't know. Like I said, these have been here for who knows how long, 100 years or more. But it's like I said yesterday, these were built for a reason. These are here for a reason. But whatever they were used for, of course, now is long gone. I mean, there's no evidence of anything else being like a road, railroad, anything. It's all gone. I mean, it's gone. I've been up there and walked around on the other side. I mean, and there's no remnants of anything. And I've always wondered about that. That's why there wasn't at least a little bit of a remnant left of a road or a railroad or anything. But anyway. If you follow that way, you'll wind up back at the entrance. A cat. Had to look twice. Like, I hope that's just a cat. And not a skunk. If you see a skunk during the daytime, that's usually not good, as they're mainly nocturnal. I think we've pretty well been down most of the paths this morning, walking trails this morning. Between yesterday and today, I think we've been down all of them. And here we are back at the entrance, or almost to the entrance anyway, of this nature center. I'm down here this morning. I hope you enjoy these videos. between yesterday and today, I've got like 6 videos to get uploaded and get them on YouTube. So it'll probably take me a day or two to do all that. But I do plan on doing more videos. Hopefully in the near future, within the next week or two. It just depends. But I do enjoy doing these. I hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you enjoyed all the tours of this area that I've done over the last several days, week or whatever. I just ask that if you do like them, smash that like button, share, subscribe. Like I said, I just do this for fun. It's just a hobby. So I do enjoy doing them though. So I think for now, for right now, the vlog is over, and we will catch you on the next adventure. Y'all take care and have a nice day.